Hey everybody, Dan here with Fin Feather for Outfitters. Today we're looking at the Stoeger STR-9C. It's a mid-size handgun that packs a punch. Very nice shooting pistol, so let's do it. Target here. The Stoeger STR-9C is a budget-priced handgun. The MSRP on this is $329, and it has remained $329 throughout the years of inflation. So hats off to Stoeger for keeping this budget-priced. This has a 3.8-inch barrel with 13-round magazines. And if you go with, or if you happen to have a larger Stoeger, this is the STR-9F that has a 17-round mag. It will fit in there just fine. So the mags are interchangeable with the Stoeger models, but the STR-9C fits that perfect niche between a subcompact and a compact size, even though Stoeger is referring to this as a compact size handgun. It has additional palm swells if you order those. With Stoeger themselves, they come in packages with additional palm swells. This is a medium size, and night sights and additional mags and so forth. Any which way you go, you're getting a budget priced pistol that certainly performs well. Now, when you look at this, you can't help but notice the very wide forward and rear slide serrations. They work great, and it's a phenomenal shooting handgun at that. When you pull the trigger on this, you just line those sights up equal height, equal light, and you have a very nice trigger pull. Now, it breaks a little heavier. You're looking at right around a 6-pound trigger pull. You can't really feel it at the range. When you do a table testing like this, you say it's a little bit heavier, but when you fire this at the range, it is pretty smooth. For a budget-priced handgun with steel sights, a metal guide rod, it certainly doesn't skimp out on the quality. Love the way it feels. If you look at the trigger guard, it has an undercut there, a wide trigger guard, a lot of room there for a gloved finger. Has a 3-slot Picatinny rail. It has a loaded chamber bar right there that will raise with a loaded round. Nice grip texturing, little finger indentation there. You grip it, feels good with the 13-round mag, little extension there. You're getting 3-finger contact on the pistol. The disassemble is also very simple. Same as a Glock. People call it Glockish, and here we have the polymer frame with a single captive recoil spring, like I mentioned, steel guide rod, and the 3.8-inch barrel. The Stoeger STR-9C, whether it's the 9C or the Stoeger STR-9, the original, with a 4.1-inch barrel, or the full-size STR-9F, you're getting a quality-made handgun that certainly is nice. I think that recoil spring popped up on me there. There we go. I like the trigger action. You'll notice that it does have some vertical serrations in the trigger face itself. But let's go ahead and roll through some range footage, then we'll get this beauty on the scale. The unloaded weight, we're looking at 1 pound 8 1/4 ounces. We're looking at, well, if I move it to just ounces, We're looking at 24¼ ounces. Here are 13 rounds, which is the mag capacity. 29¾ you add an additional round there, you're looking at 30⅛ ounce. So approximately 30 ounces loaded with the STR-9C. I have to say, when Stoeger started making the STR-9 series, which it has become a series, they started out with the 4.1 inch barrel model, and they really expanded to different barrel length, full size, compact like this, or even subcompact. They make them now optic ready. They make a tactical model. They really expanded the series. They did a fine job, and it's a straight shooter. It remains budget priced. Of course, all the add-ons will increase the cost a bit, but it's a nice shooting handgun. It's a nice looking handgun. A lot of people have confidence in these. I have confidence. I've owned 3 of them. I currently own 2, and I really enjoy them, and I think you will too. And check out Finn, because they have this, and I have to believe they sell quite a few, because people love budget priced handguns. They like reliable budget priced handguns, and I truly believe that's what you're getting with the Stoeger STR-9 series. And I've become a fan, and I really enjoy this one specifically. Once again, Dane here with Fin Feather for Outfitters. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.